So we're here at, what is this? Trail of the Big Trees?
Big Tree Trail.
Cool. Awesome. Let's go check it out. Reached our first kind of overlook up here on the Trail of Big Trees. There's different trails. We see some folks down there. There's trails all over this place. Lexi, I'm not prepared for that just yet. I take a break. Let's meander this way. Dog wanted to take us up the steep parts, which we'll do that, but we're going to work our way around, take the easier road. This is the city of Coeur D'Alene, or as my grandpappy used to say, Coeur D'Alene. We're from Oklahoma though, so that's what we do. Chris, what do you think?
Pretty good hike so far.
Yeah?
Beautiful day.
God, can't beat this day. It's a nice view. Across town there. No. Yeah, me too. You can see some of the snow is almost gone off the top of the mountains. Some nice houses down here by this trailhead too. Some really nice houses. I've been thinking about getting a gimbal. Is that how you say it? Gimbal? Gimbal?
What is that?
It's a device that holds your phone and it holds it steady. So if I were to trip or whatever,
Like a Steadicam type thing?
Yeah, I've been thinking about getting one, but this is another piece of something I have to carry with me. I wasn't real thrilled about, but
Well, Lexi needs to start carrying package around so she can carry some shit.
yeah, might slow her down just a little bit.
She can carry the water.
I was thinking we should have gone up that hill maybe now.
Yeah, looks like we're gonna mosey on down behind this hill.
Yeah. All right, let's check the map. We'll be back with y'all in a little bit. How do we feel at the moment? Just like that. So that's where we came from.
That's where we're gonna go.
And that's where we're going. And I'm dragging ass already. And no reprieve in sight here. So when I made that comment, I don't know, an hour ago, saying we're almost near the top.
No words now.
We were not near the top. And the top seems to be quite a bit further up that way. So we're gonna try to make it to the top. without dying. I'm gonna give Lexi a break here. Hi, babies. Okay, so I'll check back with you on our next break or when one of us dies. We have finally made it to the top. Chris, was it worth it?
Hell yeah.
That's pretty good. It's a pretty good view. Yeah, we're all tired. Whew. This might be one of the most strenuous ones I've ever done. As far as distance and elevation is concerned. When I'm talking, it's steep coming up. It's so steep coming down that it's just about as miserable. It's not any fun. I mean, it's not as strenuous, but try not to fall on your ass or none of this is a whole lot of fun. Running sideways so that I don't go straight down. Come on, Max. Come on, baby. Ugh. How not to fall down the mountain. Ugh. Sideways. Just kind of take some pressure off. My knees are not happy with this. Holy shit. Yeah, there's some perspective for you on how much and how steep this is. All right, I gotta turn this off, I think. Catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, friends, we are wrapping up this Big Trees Trail, unbelievably difficult hike to the top of Cantfield Mountain, I guess is the name of this place. Lexi,
Come here.
Come, baby, come.
Soft chasing a mail truck.
Yeah. So, but a great hike, really nice. Lots of mixed trails. Kind of do whatever you want. If you wanted to spend a few hours just wandering around in circles, you could literally do that. So
We had a couple.
Lexi, come here.
Couple of false starts.
Lexi.
Lexi, come here.
Come here, baby. Stay off the road. Appreciate you joining us. We'll see you on the next trip. This one was pretty good, but pretty hard. One of the harder hikes I've ever done. So for Chris and Lexi, we'll see y'all later. Peace.